about the products and the formulation which I'll be applying. They are not only teaching you something that's theoretical. So the next day, which they followed up with a lot of practical experiments, where we actually made the products and understood how to manage hygiene standards, and it has to be up to the quality, right? So that's the most important part. My name is Udyan Pratap Singh. So I have came across while researching about the products of milk business, how it works. So I didn't had any previous experience in the field, nor I was no, not none of the family members were involved in the field. At that time, I discovered Technolite as a platform. So it really excited me to see what they were promising at the beginning, the formulation that's required, how the industry functions, the real insights that you get, right? So in the first day of the joining, I was totally banking it's a worth it clan that I've chosen to learn from here, because the actual insight that you don't get anywhere, even when you interview people or you go for research, those insights are available here. And they are very helpful for you as well, right? So me being from a software background, trying to identify opportunities in the industry, I have gained some knowledge, a real good knowledge about the products and the formulation which I'll be applying. They are not only teaching you something that's theoretical. So the next day, which they followed up with a lot of practical experiments, where we actually made the products and understood how to manage hygiene standards, and it has to be up to the quality, right? So that's the most important part. Then formulating that, added to that, the final day was more of networking. So you don't get like-minded people in the business so easily, and here you have more than 25 to 30 people available. In addition, you have these experienced mentors who are teaching you, and Mukesh sir and especially Bharat sir, who took a lot of initiative in teaching us, and he's an industry insight person. So yeah, so you form a network, you get a mentor, and you now know that if you get any doubt anywhere, any place, you can just reach out to them, and hopefully they will definitely revert back with the doubts. Because there is a simple example I want to give. In the initial research for 2 months, I was just struggling to know whether I can sell a raw milk or not, and that doubt, nobody was answering me. Like, even if I met people, don't know even about those things. But the first thing that gets sorted here is you can, with a standardized milk, and nobody in the industry knew it. So at that very moment, I knew that I've chosen the right place. So yeah, you can join and learn from them.
Two words for the team of Technolite from your side.
They have been very amazing and active, in terms of proactive. If you need anything, if you want to solve any doubts, and the way they have taught us, it's good. Always there's always a room of improvement, but the way they have formulated the entire studies, I have gained and retained a lot of it within me. So yeah, well done, kudos to the team, and thanks.
So during this 3 days training program, we have also learned the complete training program for the dedicated to the laboratory. So what will be the impact? What will be the benefits if somebody wants to start in their dairy plant?
Definitely. So laboratory thing is really very much important, because it's not only about selling it to the customer, it's also about receiving the product with you. If you know that you have received the right quality of milk with you, how will you know it? It's not about you can just see and know it. So you know how tests are done, and they are not so difficult one. That's what I came to know once they trained me. It's how easy it is to know whether the quality of the product is good, whether there is a contamination. So it's very much added advantage. Also, it will help you to work as per the guidelines of FSSI, right? So all those things support you in a way, in a positive way, to move forward and help you improve your quality, your product, and ultimately gain you more customers.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.